Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate at home, full guide. Gather high-quality cocoa beans, cocoa butter, sugar, and a digital thermometer and set up a clean workspace. I'll walk you through roasting beans, winnowing nibs, refining paste, conching to smoothness, and tempering for glossy bars. You'll learn simple techniques, common pitfalls, and how small adjustments change flavor and texture so your homemade chocolate tastes professional and satisfying. Start with roasting. Small batches at steady heat unlock deep chocolate flavors without charcoal notes. Cool and crack the beans, then winnow to separate nibs from shells. Grind nibs into a paste, slowly incorporating cocoa butter and sugar until silky. Use a conche or long stir for smoother results. Finally, temper carefully. Heat to melt, cool to set crystals, then reheat slightly to working temperature for perfect shine and snap. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps a lot. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with their lifetime warranty for comfort during long cooking sessions. They're durable, cozy, and worth it when you stand at the stove or temper chocolate for hours. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Play with recipes. Raise cocoa butter slightly for creamier mouthfeel, or reduce sugar for intense dark bars. Small tweaks change balance considerably. If chocolate feels gritty, refine longer or conche to break down particles and distribute fat evenly. Bloom appears from unstable crystals or storage swings, so temper well and keep bars in a cool, dry place away from humidity. These simple habits improve consistency and flavor over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.